Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open OneNote and sign in so your notebooks load. Start with the notebook that likely contains the tags you used, because searching across many notebooks will slow you down. Once you've selected the notebook, focus the view to the section group or section that matters. Make sure tags exist on pages you expect. If none were tagged, this method won't find anything. Now move to the Home ribbon where the Find and Tags tools live. Open the Home tab and choose Find Tags. That opens the Tag Summary pane on the right. You can narrow the scope immediately, select Current Section, Current Notebook, or All Notebooks depending on how broad you need it. Next, pick the tag types you want to include, because OneNote groups tags by label. Use the sort option to order by date or page title. Once done, click Create Summary Page to gather results into one page you can review and jump to. The summary page lists each tagged note and provides links back to the original pages, so scan it and click to jump where needed. If you don't see expected tags, verify you used OneNote's built-in tags rather than bold text or custom labels. Inconsistent tag names split results. Also, make sure notebooks are synced, sign out and back in, or force a sync. If the tag summary still misses items, tags may exist in unsupported OneNote versions. Try searching on the platform where you created them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.